This is Alpha 5 Team Wunderbar in Los Loros in Nicaragua. We're having the best time ever. Hi to Mum, Dad and Rob. Hope you're having a brilliant time at home. It's time to see the rest of the team. Hi Mom, hi Dad, hi Aisha, Raj and Sandra's at the moment in the rain. It has been pretty hot each day. We've been digging the trenches, but after 3 o'clock it's chucking it down like this. So we're here showering in the rain. Can't wait to come back home for Christmas and have nice cups of tea and toast and getting on a warm nice bed. Love and miss you all. See you all soon. Hello! Hi, Mum, Dad, Dan, anyone else watching at home? Yeah, we're in Nicaragua on our community project where it's scorching sun in the day and then pours of rain all afternoon. We're having a really good time. We're making really good progress on the Wars project. My family is absolutely lovely. They're feeding us far too much before we get fat. All the rice and these, it's amazing. The team's great. Everything's great. Missing you all. Hope you're all well. See you soon.
Hallo mama, papa en iedereen thuis. Mis jullie natuurlijk heel erg. En Jor, hoop dat jullie het overleven thuis. Zielig, alleen. Dit is mijn achtertuin. Mijn huis is hier zo. Het is helemaal geweldig. En zie jullie over een paar maanden, denk ik, via Skype.
Hi everyone at home, Mum, Dad, everyone else, having an amazing time, missing you all lots of love.
Hi guys, as you can see I'm having a great time. I hope you're having you're all busy with your respective lives, and yeah, I miss you guys and I look forward to seeing you in December to go to Asia. Yeah! See you soon!
Hi Mum, hi Dad, hi Will. I heard you play football with the chaps and the lineup. And a message in German. Hallo zu Hause. Mir geht's hier obviously sehr gut und ich würde mich freuen, wenn ihr mir ein paar Fußballergebnisse schickt und ist einfach super.
Jacqueline!
Le mando un saludo a toda mi familia, que los quiero mucho y que estoy súper contenta.
Hola mami, papi, nanas, Susa, Lucy. Los quiero un montón. Ojalá que la esté pasando bien, que la estoy pasando súper bien aquí mojada. Chao, pura vida.
Okay. Hi Amy, hi Diddy, hi Kika, hi Marku, hi Little Sprout, Bun in the Oven. I love you guys all very much and I'll see you very soon. Having a wonderful time as you can see.
Hello family and friends, I'm having a very good time. As you can see, the weather is absolutely beautiful, not like England, but I'll be seeing you very soon. I'm hoping you have a good time. See you later.
Hola mi familia aquí en Nicaragua, Cachete, siempre feliz. Me saluda a todos ahí, mi papá Roque, a mi hermano Alejandro y mi mamá Mari. Y siempre a Cachete y toda la gallada me la saludan. Cachete.